Hi, my name is Marietta and I'm one of the proud presenters with the M-Swing Education, How to Become a Conference Speaker or Workshop Presenter. The biggest question I get asked about this when people are sort of interested is, I don't know if I know enough. Do I have something that's different to share? And the reality is that everyone has a unique point of view. And it comes down to what you want to share rather than what you want to tell people or what you want to educate people. If you keep that in mind and focus on that being the main goal for you, then you will have something to deliver. Really, presenting is about the passion and a deep, deep gut feel that you need to be able to share your message, whatever that message might be. What this course does is it provides you the framework and the appreciation of how to deliver that and how to deliver that successfully. So all you need to have is a passion. All you need to have is a desire to share something. You don't need to know everything. I'm certainly not the expert in aqua, in my aqua presentations, but what I do share in my aqua workshops is what I've learned through my own experience. And that helps and adds to everybody else's experience. It provides an opportunity for people to come together, join in with an education, and have fun doing it. So think about doing the Presenters course. I highly recommend it.